homes. Home sales this year on the Eastern Shore have been sluggish, but forecasts indicate that next year may bring more activity despite an increase in inventory supply and growing affordability challenges. It's Friday, December 12th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your resource for all things real estate in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Home prices are predicted to grow, though slower and more moderately, considering a 1.9% increase and 10.6% more homes should sell on the shore in 2026. Queen Anne's, Cecil, Wicomico, and Worcester County buyer activity is moderate. Not high activity, but enough activity to have showings leading to offers and contracts. Dorchester is steady, while Caroline and Talbot counties are slow, and both Kent and Somerset counties have the least buyer activity on the shore. This week, homes available for sale fell again to 2,094 units from last week and at a median list price of $395,000. Only 68 homes will be coming to the market at a $400,000 median list price. Fewer homes went under contract this report at only 119 homes, and those went under contract in 40 days from list date at a median price of $349,900. 128 homes sold in 26 days at 96.6% and at a median sold price of $395,000. Now, homes for lease are up to 157 units at a median $2,150 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, December 12th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Stay warm, enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.